In our Star Wars party, we used the green Orbeez as like a little thing. As,
Oh,
like,
yeah?
frog eggs and decoration.
Cool. What all did you guys do at your Star Wars party?
We pretended to that the kitchen was a cantina. We had fried rice and chicken wings and some carrots, and I helped make some berry blades. They're kind of like they were berries on skewers.
Oh, so they looked kind of like
lightsabers. And we had blue milk and pink milk.
Oh my goodness!
And we dressed up.
What did you dress up as?
Leia in her ceremonial dress.
Very cool. Is that the white one?
It's kind of like when she awards Luke and Han at the end of Jedi, I think.
Okay, cool. Can you do me a favor? I forgot to grab a pencil. Can you grab a pencil off my desk?
Yeah. Were you gonna drink the orange Orbeez? There were like straws in the orange Orbeez in a glass.
I just put them in there, the red ones, and then I just stuck the straws in there to kind of see if they'd stand up by themselves, and they do.
Yeah, we did.
And then Grant was taking them and putting them in the end of the straw and then blowing them like an Orbeez cannon. Yeah. So I've got some questions for you. So Sammy, is it I-E or Y?
Y.
And what's your last name, Sammy?
Johnson.
Johnson, I thought so. And just put my name here. Uh, 5/5/24. It's Cinco de Mayo today. And you're a third grader, right?
Yep.
And your birthday, let's see if it's in 17 days.
16.
Is it the 20 or 16 days? So is it the 21st?
Yes.
So May 21st. And you'll be 9, so 2015?
Yeah.
What's your teacher's name?
Miss Calloway.
Okay. School, Messia Elementary.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so unlike other kinds of tests, this is like a doing kind of test. So I'm going to ask you to do some stuff, and you might need scissors or you might need a marker. Okay, so they're right here, and you can use whichever tool you want to use. It's up to you, okay? So are you ready?
Yeah.
And I will be completely honest, this is the first time I've ever done this.
Okay.
So bear with me. All right?
Okay.
I've got all these little bags, and all these little bags have all these little things in them. And so we'll see as we go along how it goes. All right. I need the scissors. And if you're doing something on one of these strips and you feel like you've messed up and you want a different one, just tell me. I can give you another one, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty. Let's pretend that this is a granola bar.
Okay.
Show how 3 people could share this granola bar equally.
Should I take the pencil?
You can use the marker or the scissors. And yeah, if you're gonna marker on it, you might want to marker on the other side, because this side's kind of slick, and it'll streak.
Could do it like this.
Okay.
It's kind of close to being equal.
Okay. How do you know that they're equal? You want to try again on the other side?
Or you could split it like long ways.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean. How do you know that they're equal?
Because like if you like have like it's like kind of like hard to explain it because like so like there's like these are like there and it's like they're like equal because like they're kind of like the same length.
Okay.
Close to.
Okay. All right. Okay. I'm going to give you a piece of this other size. Okay, there's another piece of paper. Okay, show 1 out of 4 equal parts. How would you do that? 1 out of 4 equal parts. Okay.
1 out of 4.
How do you know that is 1 out of 4 equal parts?
Because like there's 4 equal parts and I shaded 1.
Okay. All right. Okay. How could you share this piece of paper with yourself and 4 other people? So 5 people in all. Make only 1 mark to mark off your share.
So I like only like mark.
So you're gonna, you're gonna share this with 5 people, but I just want you to show me the 1 piece that will be yours. Okay. How do you know that that's your share?
Because like it's like because like kind of like I cut it like I made it like into like the shares.
Okay. I saw you kind of like swiping across the bar. Can you explain to me what you were doing there?
Like I was trying to like make sure like they would be like kind of equal, so then like I wouldn't have like too much.
Oh, okay.
And then, like they would have like just like tiny ones.
Okay. Shade in 2 parts of that strip. What fraction of the whole strip is shaded?
2/7.
Okay. Take these ones. Ugh. These things are a pain. I should have done this before you got here. Okay. Cut off 2 parts of the unmarked strip.
Can I like cut this too, so like I know?
Nope, you're just gonna cut the unmarked strip. So what could
Okay.
you do?
Kind of like measure it. Oh.
Okay. What part of the fraction, this part is what fraction of the whole?
2/7 are cut.
Okay. And what part is this part of the whole?
It's 5/7.
Okay. Can I borrow the scissors again?
Yep.
Thank you, ma'am. You're gonna need the scissors this time.
Okay.
Use the scissors to cut off what you think would be 1/5 of one rectangle. Just make one cut for 1/5. Okay. How could you find out if your piece is 1/5?
I could like cut more of them and like see if they're equal, or I could like mark them with the marker
Okay.
on this one. Like I could mark it.
Okay. How could you use this other card to see if you cut your 1/5?
Like kind of measure them. What are you guys doing here? Doing math?
You guys have fun playing football?
Yeah.
You're-
It got hot.
It's hot out there.
Even though I saw a yellow jacket nest. Those bees
It's
had-
bees.
I know where those bees were yellow jackets if they were under something.
Do you guys want to go play on the equipment outside?
We now get out there, but just I don't know what to do right now. It's kind of hard to. What math are you doing, Sammy?
Fractions.
Oh, you always do fractions.
Well, that's what I'm learning in
Okay.
school right now.
Yeah. So was yours one? Was it 1/5?
It was like kind of unequal.
Okay.
It's like these are the same size, but this one is bigger.
Okay.
It'd be like a sixth.
Oh, so it's more like a 1/6.
Mhm.
Okay. I'm just gonna write down what you said.
I'll come when I'm done with the math.
Okay, well, when are you?
I don't know.
Why don't you guys?
Watch football.
You want to play football or do you want to ride elevators?
Just ride elevators?
You can like.
Why don't you take the stairs all the way to the top and then ride the elevator all the way back down? Go.
Okay.
And in the elevator, try throwing the football to each other, like with little tosses.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Brothers.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to give you some fraction bars. Whoops. Okay. All right. If this light green strip is 1/3 of the whole, which strip is the whole?
I think the blue one is the
Okay. How did you know?
Like I kind of like took like all the big ones that I thought it might be, and like I measured it like kind of like this.
Oh, I see. Okay. And you found
This
it the
one.
blue one?
Yeah, and this one
Okay.
was kind of the closest to a third.
All right. If this red strip is 1/4 of the whole, which strip is 3/4 of the whole?
I think it's the dark green. It's exactly
Okay.
like 3/4.
Okay. All right. Let's put these over here. Okay.
they just walked right past the office.
Yeah.
If they came in, I would say race down the hallways. But in slow-mo.
Okay. This is my strip. Okay. My strip is 4 times the size of your strip. So it's 4 times as big. Can you show me what your strip would be?
Like, would it be like one
No,
of
you're
these?
just gonna use, you can use these, you can mark them, you can cut them.
Should I like kind of like do like
Whatever works.
marky? So like it would be like smaller. So like my
Okay.
strip would be smaller than yours. It would be kind of like this.
Okay, so which one would be your strip?
I was like kind of like treating this one as mine.
Okay. So yours is my strip is 4 times the size of your strip.
Mhm.
So you said your strip was going to be smaller. Right now they're the same size. Can you show me one that's smaller?
Yeah.
Because I saw what you were doing. You were kind of marking it with the marker.
This would be my strip.
Okay. All right. All right. Let's see. I'm just going to have you draw on the back of this paper. All right. This strip is 3/7 of the whole strip. How would you draw the whole strip? This is 3/7. How would you draw the whole strip? Oop.
I think maybe like that.
Okay, explain to me how you did that.
I was like it was kind of like measuring with this one, like one, go here, another one, and then another.
Okay, so that would be the whole if this one is 3/7?
Yeah.
Okay,
I think so.
okay. Okay, this one's a listening one.
Okay.
Stephanie drank some soda. 24 ounces is 8 times the amount of soda that Stephanie drank. How much soda did Stephanie drink? So 24 ounces is 8 times the amount of soda that she drank.
So it's kind of like multiplication instead of fractions.
Mm-hmm.
$196 ounces.
Okay. How did you find that out?
I multiplied 24 times 8.
Can you draw a picture in the bottom part of how you figured that out?
I did.
Okay.
Like once I got to like 4 and then I added 96 was 96.
Okay. Very nice. All right. Now we're going to work on this side. This is an energy bar. It's a picture of an energy bar like you would eat. Okay. The company that makes this energy bar wants to make a new bar that is 7/5 the size of this bar. Draw the new bar.
I think like this would be kind of like the new bar.
Okay. How did you know how long to make the new bar?
I kind of like knew like because I like made 7s and then colored in 5.
Okay. Now the company wants to make another new bar. This bar is 9/7 the size of the new energy bar. Draw the new energy bar.
Like the one from the other page.
If that's what, it's 9/7 the size of this new bar. So you're gonna think about the size of this bar now. It's 9/7 that size. Okay. How did you know how long to make the new bar?
I like did so, like I made 9ths and then I colored in 7.
Okay. All right. I will take these ones. I think we can just use that one there. Imagine I had a red strip of paper. The white strip of paper is half of a red strip. I want you to fold the white strip to show 1/6 of the red strip. So let me read that again, because that was a lot of directions.
Yeah.
Okay? Imagine that I have a red strip. My red strip is half of the white strip. I want you to fold the white strip to show me 1/6 of the red strip.
Kind of like this.
Okay, how did you know that that was 1/6 of the red strip?
I like folded it like kind of like lightly like this until I got to 6. And then I just folded the size.
Okay, all right. Jack and Carrie's school club is doing a highway cleanup project. Jack and Carrie are responsible for picking up trash along 3/4 of a mile of highway. If they split the distance equally, how much of a mile will they have to clean? Well, they each have to clean. Do you want me to read it again?
I think it'd be 2 halves.
Okay, explain why.
Because I thought of like equivalent fractions and like breaking it apart would be like kind of like 4 divided by like 4 broke apart equally would be a half, and then just I thought like 2 because like there would still be like a half, so 2 halves.
Okay, this is the last question. I think. Pretty sure. Let me double check. Yeah, this is the last one. Read that card to me.
8/5, I mean 5/8 plus 1/2.
Do you have a way to find the answer without doing all the mathematical steps?
5 plus 1 is 6, and 8 plus 2 is 10, so it'd be 6/10.
Okay. How did you know it was 6/10?
Like, because 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 8 plus 2 is 10, so 6/10.
Okay. All right. That's it.
Okay.
Can you shut off the iPad for me?
Yep. So, is there like a button?
Just push the red button on the screen. I think that'll stop it.